In this video, I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look of what I think is a great technique that one of my coaches has taught me, and maybe you, when you listen in, you'll have heard of this before. But we need to have a technique that's going to increase our conversion from our website to our blogs to our emails. And what is it that does help other people have more success, right? So listen in to this technique. If you have questions, comment below if it's helped you. Then also maybe give it a thumbs up in the video, but also down below, because this type of technique and being able to convert your leads when you bring them to your website, being able to convert by getting people to open up your email or watch your video is critical to the next level that we can get in our conversion. So let's go ahead and dive right in and check out this behind the scenes look that is from one of my live website boot camps. And if you do want more information about some of my courses and how I help people, just look down in the links below and you'll get more information. All right, let's jump in. One of the things that we have to think about is what is called the hook story offer. And one of my coaches, and I'm sure that you know him, many of you know him, and if not, Russell Brunson is the creator, along with a couple business partners, of course, but this hook story offer on the copyright. So copy or copyright is of course protected, but copy just meaning the words on the page, right? Whether it's in a video, but it's mostly considered like in the print, right? So that plays into this model is really something that works well with emails, works well with sales funnels, works well with videos. And it's really the practice that we want to make sure that we also think about as we put titles and headlines and custom headers and all of that on our webpage, on our content, in our videos, all of that. So the hook is basically where the hook is like, what's going to grab their attention, right? And so then the story is what you're going to find out, right? And then the offer, right? So for example, we all know that when we go and we're scanning through our movie and we're going to look at the picture, right? And the picture has a title on it. If we're doing a YouTube video, the thumbnail, right? And those things have to hook us. Right? In an email subject line, it needs the hook is the subject line, right? So what's going to make me open up that email? What's going to make me pick on this landing page? What's going to make me pick that movie? It's all the same concept, and that's the hook, right? And then when they look at the next line, right, whether that's a YouTube video or your custom page that has the next paragraph or your blog, etc., that's the story. So going back and relating also to classic going and looking for a movie, we look at the thumbnail, right? How many of us just go through and then we just look at the picture, right? The same thing with the book. All we're doing is looking at the picture, and then we decide if we want to look at it based on the category that it's in, drama, thriller. And then basically we look at that and say, oh, I want to read more. And then you read a couple, 2-3 sentences tops, usually that's the story. Right, and then obviously the movie itself or the book, etc., is the offer. So the same thing with us. If we're going to bring a video onto our blog, if we're going to bring a video onto our homepage, if we're going to bring a video into our YouTube channel and cross-link it back, the hook is the thumbnail. The description, that quick little 2 lines, 75 characters typically, is kind of the story, and then the offer is the video itself. So again, think of it very much similar to our funnels and to our web page that will now come out as this hook story offer. When we integrate this practice and this style, it will make things also convert more because we're drilling what they want, we're honing in on the niche, and then we snatch them. All right, so hook story offer, great technique, love Russell Brunson, been a huge impact on my ability to write emails in our automation, to get people to our website and actually click the button and maybe reach out and schedule an appointment with me, for us sending out emails to a variety of people and then actually wanting them to open it up, or maybe the sequences of things for, like I said, in automations and in our newsletters and my videos. And all of these things, this is a fundamental framework that's important. So hook story offer, keep it in mind as you build out your websites, your blogs, like all of these things. I mean, there's things that we layer in there, right? With, SEO and keywords and where we put the words in the sentences or in the email subjects. But this fundamental practice of hook, story, offer is critical. So I hope you adopt it. And if this has been helpful for you, do me a favor and let me know with that thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because it is my mission and goal to help agents like yourself increase your success. All right, see you soon.